Pro tips for onion experiment, mitosis experiment, right? Sorry. Today it is brush up of onion root tip mitosis experiment, and this is our experimental setup. These are the preserved onion root tips. This is hydrochloric acid. So this is one normal hydrochloric acid. This is water. This is acetocarmine stain, blade, cover slip, and normal things that we use in laboratory. Take a root tip. If possible, try to cut off its root cap, wherein we don't find dividing cells. Just after the root cap, 1 or 2 centimeters of root is sufficient for us to conduct this experiment. Now, add a drop of 1 normal hydrochloric acid to it so that tissues can become a bit softer. That's the reason. Excess of hydrochloric acid can destain, so take care and keep it for 6 minutes. After about 6 minutes, you need to remove the SCl there, excess SCl there. Okay, and add a drop of water, use brush so that you can think that you have removed almost all the HCl that you have added to make the tissues softer. After this, what you need to do is add acetocarmine stain. Once more, it is a nuclear stain, let me remind. And what we need to do, we need to give an incision if possible to the specimen given. Preserved specimens are usually softer, they stain well and take up the stain fast because already you have put it in acetoalcohol for a pretty long time. So already the tissues are very soft. Now we need to warm it over slide warmer for about 6 minutes. You can see the color is drying up, the stain is drying up, and when it dries it shows the meniscus outlines and all. You take off the slide out of it, it is already dry. I mean, it should not fry, it should be only dry. Did you get that? Not complete dry. Before it dries completely, take off the slide. Now the procedure is of washing the slide properly, removing the excess stain and putting the cover slip. It is a normal procedure what to do in many conditions or many practicals. You can use absorbent or blotting paper, or if not, any old paper will do. So slowly, very slowly, after adding sufficient water there, you can use brush for that. Try to place the cover slip. Before you place the cover slip, you can smash that root tip a bit, but even this procedure works well. Remove the excess stain from the other side. Go on adding water from one side, and from the other side the excess stain should be removed. Now the last thing that we need to do is to spread it very properly. Look, this is how it looks like after we take off the excess stain. With that, you can remove the water completely so that it should not soil the stage of the microscope. Again, I am adding water from one side, and from the other side the excess of stain goes off. Now this is how it looks like before. The last thing that you do, that is pressing it against or tapping it very gently. You can use your pen, you can use your thumb, you can use even rubber, or even you can invert the brush and slowly tap over the specimen. You should take care, the cover slip should not break. Tap it so that already the softened tissue spreads well. Again, if there is any water left over, remove it. And the last thing that you can do here is place absorbent paper in sufficient quantity at the bottom as well as on the top, and press it gently. You can tap it, you can press it, you can remember the way your teacher has taught you. Look at that. This is what I do. Watch it again. What has happened? Look, it has spread more than what we could see before. Look at that. Again, you can tap and spread so that it spreads well. and you can get sufficient number of cells in which you can observe some stage or the other. If you press it well, almost it becomes transparent. You will not find any lines or colored lines there as such, or it's hard to find the specimen. Now it has spread furthermore well. This is how we can spread it very well. Now we need to observe it under the microscope and find out the stages.